We are talking today about misuse of a credit card in this edition of The Law in You. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
We are really excited to be here today.
Pumped.
I mean,
I can tell.
We are pumped.
The energy
up.
is flowing
Let's do
today.
it. Let's
All right,
go.
here's
Let's
the
get to
question.
it.
This one is a long one, and this is from Valerie in Ashland. She says, what can I do when an ex charges an engagement ring on my account 2 years after we broke up? They say he was an authorized user. Now, he hasn't paid in 3 months, and they are constantly calling me for payment, saying it will reflect on my credit report. I already had this issue with my engagement ring, and he stopped paying on it, so I ended up paying it off. I called to cancel the account back, and they told me they couldn't because there was a balance due. Now, supposedly, they closed the account, which has nearly a $6,000 balance on it. This sounds like an absolute mess, guys. What do we do with
It's
it?
a dog's breakfast.
Valerie, this is a hot mess. You really have got to get to a lawyer. I mean, you got credit issues, you got fraud issues, you have potential criminal issues here, whether he was authorized on the account or not authorized on the account. We would need 2 hours to really answer all of the questions that are on this, but
Well, the thing that's important
it's
is
civil,
when-
criminal, I
No,
mean,
but
it's a lot,
you look
you
at
know.
the question, and she says he's an authorized user. So, I think some of this goes down. She did that at her own peril. I mean, if you authorize this guy, and you never removed his authorization from the account, you could have done that at your own. And again, if he's authorized, again, you didn't tell us exactly how the account's titled, so he may have some liability too. But you're saying he's authorized. So the important thing is when you have joint accounts with somebody, you got to monitor them, and when you cease your relationship, business, personal, whatever it is, you got to shut the authorization down. And I think that was her problem. This guy just kept charging, and now you were getting the backlash of $6,000, and you're paying for someone else's engagement ring. It sounds
Greg's
like.
100% right. I mean, yeah, that's really bad. That's just so bad. It's wrong on so many levels.
Good advice for a complicated situation, and our viewers that need your legal help. How can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Valerie, good luck to you. That's all we could say on this one. And if you have a question like this, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll catch you next time. Don't forget on PAHomepage.com or the Law in You hotline, you can get a question here on the show.